Each year, nearly 3 million older adults in the U.S. visit emergency departments due to fall-related injuries. Navigating mobility impairment shouldn't mean losing the comfort of home. Mobility Plus, located in Pelham, offers tailored solutions for Birmingham mobility equipment like stair lifts, ramps, and grab bars, ensuring your home adapts to your needs. With the national median cost of assisted living nearly $60,000 annually, modifying your home is a one-time, cost-effective investment compared to the recurring expenses of assisted living. Installing Birmingham mobility equipment significantly reduces risks and cost, supporting continued independence and peace of mind. Stair lifts provide effortless access to upper floors, eliminating the risk and strain of your home feeling like a mountain. Ramps ensure smooth transition for those using wheelchairs or walkers, while grab bars offer essential support in key areas like bathrooms and hallways. At Mobility Plus Pelham, we offer free location visits to assess your needs and recommend the best Birmingham mobility equipment for your lifestyle. Our expert installations ensure safety and functionality, providing the independence you deserve. Visit mobilityplus.com/PelhamAL or call 205-603-5279.